Hello and welcome to another short tutorial here with the Visualizer 3D software. What I'm doing here today is I want to help you to qualify a target. A user sent this scan and he says I want to qualify and get my depth. So right here, let me basically say that I'm having a real hard time with giving depth perception on this. Couple different reasons. Okay, and just so that everyone knows here, let me go and take a side view look here. And you see this value here on the side. This is very strong value. As I'm going to click the difference in height, I'm clicking this probably about a good dozen or so times, maybe even more, to get the screen within a picture. Now, I'm going to push the F4 key. Say for every strong top signal going towards the top, we should have one coming towards the bottom. Here on the bottom, we don't have a strong signal. Okay, which is my first indication that maybe this is not a real target. This can be possible surface mineralization. Then I'm going to come back here, push the F4 button again, and I'm going to select the top view. And looking at the top view, I want to move my arrow keys and move my lines here. And if you can't see the lines on your Visualizer 3D, push the F2 key, because the F2 will hide the lines. F2 again will show the lines. And I'm going to put this directly on here. And to say here in a standard unknown, the typical depth here would probably be 2.87 meters as calculated. Okay, and remember this is a passive unit, so it is only calculating an approximate depth, not giving an exact. Different soil conditions may apply where it may be deeper or shallower. In this instance, from my personal experience, I am going to guess that this is surface trash mineralization or directly under the surface. One of the reasons I say that is this. As a scan is conducted, okay, you'll be going up the row, you have one hit, and then you're off of it. As you can see that it's only 1, 2, regardless of which side. If I go towards the left, or I go towards the right, it's always just one hit off. There's not enough there to be a real target. So careful on this one. I want to say this is going to be to qualify a target. This target does not appear to be a valid target. Surface mineralization, hot rock, trash, a magnet, piece of steel. I'm definitely going to call this ferrous, but I'm not going to give this a valid target rating. So, when you get a target that is so small, you have to think they'd have to dig a hole in order to qualify this target. Either this target is fresh and it's right on the surface and hasn't had time to cure, or it's not a real target. So, I hope this has helped a little bit or helped somebody. Thank you very much, and again, please keep your scans coming. I love to keep showing new tips and tricks. Thank you.